Hello Facebook! I just wanted to share with you my good vibes because I just finished a class of Tahitian dance, or Tahiti in English. It was, all the classes I am grabbing from my website or classes I teach in live on Zoom. And then with my beautiful camera here, I prepare everything to put it on my website, and so you have good quality of sound and picture. And so for now I am finishing my website in French, all the classes for dancers and the teacher course, and I hope from September to December to grab lots of things in English and Spanish for my website. So you will be invited to that. In Spanish, I already have like 14 hours for dancers and 1 hour free on the basic steps. And if you need anything else, I will grab it in September at the end of the year. And in English, I just have 1 hour free. You will find it on my YouTube channel about the basic steps. And just now, I did another class of 1 hour and a half I called it Your Powerful Body. It's a class to show you my vision of Tahiti through the arms, through the meaning of hands, through the meanings of your thoughts, and how you are dancing in your body, and how you're connecting with the earth, how you feel grounded, how you feel connected to the sky and the gods and the universe, and how you allow yourself to be beautiful, to feel amazing. And so I love the class. I had 4 or 5 students, very little when I grab it on live, because it's easier for me to take care of each woman. And so now I am waiting for the videos, and where I will prepare it all, and I will put it tonight or maybe tonight on the website. So if you want this class, you can just go on my website from now, marevabouchaux.com, marevabouchaux.com in English. And you will find it on the main page. I'm sorry, for now it's in French, but you will see the picture, Your Powerful Body, and the class will appear tonight. So if you just want to practice Tahiti, if you want to discover Tahiti, if you want to discover my vision of Tahiti, which is a spiritual way, it's a mindfulness way, you are very welcome in my galaxy. Lots of kisses. I just wanted to share that good vibes I have, and thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.